Hi guys, so I'm going to go over area of a circle with you. So just some vocabulary reminders. We learned about circumference. Circumference is that distance around the circle, like the perimeter of a circle. Diameter is that distance across a circle, okay, all the way, going through the center from edge to edge. Radius is the distance from the center of the circle, that little dot that's in the center of every circle, to the edge. And area, what we're going to go over right now, is the amount of square unit within a shape. Okay, so specifically for this one, square units within a circle. And of course, pi, that's that ratio of circumference to diameter for any circle. It's approximately 3.14. So we discovered together in class, not right now, that moved a little bit, sorry, that the formula of the area of a circle is pi times radius squared. And remember that radius squared does not mean radius times 2. It means radius times radius. So I'm going to write it both ways, okay? All right. Oh, something just popped up on my screen. That's silly. Okay, scrolling down a little bit. So we have our steps for this. Set up the formula. Area equals pi r squared. Substitute your radius for r. Sometimes you may need to do some other things in order to do that, but evaluate your exponent, multiply by pi, label your unit. So I have this problem here. It says a biscuit recipe calls for the dough to be rolled out in circles to be cut from the dough. So you've got a big old piece of dough, we'll flop in little circles all throughout. Then find the area of the top of the biscuit once it is cut. Use 3.14 for pi. Okay, so first of all, something I always think is great is when they give you radius for word problems like this. Like really odd that someone would know exactly where the center is to the edge, but it's fine. All right, we're just gonna use black. Perfect. I need my formula. So my formula is, why didn't it let me draw? Excuse me, I'm using, why? No, don't make me start this. Hold on, I'm gonna pause, guys. Okay, I figured it out. Don't worry about it. So I've got that formula. Area equals pi r squared. I need radius. They rolled out radius. Okay, they gave it to me in this word problem. But if they gave me diameter, I'd have to figure it out. And so I'm just going to kind of practice that. Radius is 4, so my diameter is 8 because radius is half of your diameter. All right, now scrolling down. So that means, no, throw a touch. Okay. It does not like me using anything. There. Draw a touch. That's what I had to do last time, sorry. Okay, so I've got the area. And I know pi is 3.14. I'm just going to put it in now because I'm a little lazy. Then I'm doing 4 squared, which is radius times radius, 4 times 4. Now I'm evaluating that exponent. So I'm actually doing 3.14 times 16. I'm using my phone for this calculator, okay? On Desmos, you've got it there, depending on how you're doing it. So 3.14 times 16 is 50.24. And I was silly. This should have been an approximate because remember, once we use 3.14 for pi, we're rounding. So we need to use approximation symbols. So the area of this biscuit is approximately 50.25 centimeters squared. Okay, remember area is squared. So that was one example. Now I have one. It says a circular pool has a diameter of 20 feet. What is the area of the surface of the water in the pool? Okay, so I've got my formula. Gosh darn. Hold on. Scooch it over as much as I can. It doesn't like when I go from drawing to that. So there, draw a touch. I feel like I turned it off. I did. Friends, why is this so ridiculous? Got it. So the area equals pi r squared. I need radius. They gave me diameter. So my diameter equals 20. Radius equals 10. I know that because radius is half of diameter. So now I'm doing area is approximately 3.14 times 10 squared. Oh, well, I know that 10 times 10 is 100, so I'm just going to keep moving it. So my area is approximately that. Oop, that's a different symbol. There we go. So 3.14 times 100, when I multiply by a 10, I just move the decimal that many spaces. So by 100, 2 spaces, this is approximately 314 feet squared for the area of that pool. All right, we worked on both of those. We've practiced those. Sometimes they give you circumference and you got to work backwards in order to get that radius. So if you need that refresher on circumference, watch the circumference video, okay? Bye, friends. Thanks.